is the opening day of dove season here in Nebraska, and I'm out with Tyler. Tyler just went around the barn. He's probably shooting some already. Who knows? But so I wanted to talk to you today. I just got in yesterday a new pair of hearing protection from Axel. These are the GS Extremes. These are really awesome because they are Bluetooth. So basically what you do, you know, get them on, and then there is a rechargeable port here that will allow you to basically recharge them, and they act just like headphones, act just like a normal AirPods kind of would, but they also add extra reduction in hearing protection as well. So that's why I really like them. So if you want to learn more about them, and I'm going to be using them through this video and into some other videos as well, but if you like them, go online to buyaxel.com and follow the link in the description of this video below. We are waiting for a few of his buddies to get out here so that we can hunt a little bit different property, but we're just going to wait here for them. And Tyler's got permission to hunt this farm right here. It's got some wheat stubble right out behind it, but really this time of year the doves are focusing on the cut millet. Okay, sweet. And his buddies are just now getting here, so we'll probably get things set up, do some decoy type stuff, and be good to go. Nope, going away. Back left, back left. Real low. Straight in front. There's a couple to the left. Off your left. Right here, right in front. Right in front. They're right out there. Walk right out there. Yeah. Right here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Tyler. Coming in left. Here we go. Nice. Oh, get him. I got one, these two. Yeah, you do. They're coming in crazy now. Here we go. They're coming right at us. Oh. Nope, Tweety bird. Right in front. Oh my God. Oh. I'm all right there. My gun didn't cycle right. What the heck? I was like pulling the trigger and it wasn't going off. I'm like, what? Right in front. Here, hold on, he's coming back. He's coming right back. I can't shoot him. Shoot him there, Tyler. There's one, two. There you go. Oh. Oh boy. Oh my God. Okay, so we can step out in the Millet then. If you guys come here right before dark, the last couple of years, they're just everywhere, right? Yeah. But yeah.
That's crazy. He was just sitting here, and they were like literally between Scott and I.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. They're coming.
Get him?
Yeah. I think I've got another one over there too.
I had probably 45 while I was here.
Yeah.
How many up to, Jack?
6? I've got one more out there that I didn't find yet. What do you guys got? 5?
7 or 8.
Nice. I'm almost to a box, I think.
I have a box and a half. You gotta be close to a box and a half too, don't you? It's hard not to pull the trigger 3 times on a bird.
I know.
Back box too. Out of that bucket. I have a half box left.
That's my box.
What's up with your gun?
What do you mean?
I keep hearing you suck a jet.
I know. I don't know if I'm like putting one in at the end, like after I've shot. Like I don't. them.
Since I left?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
They've just been bouncing around. I almost doubled again.
I was gonna, when I
Right
left,
now,
you
Chef.
guys, I could tell you guys were just sticking out like a sore thumb. I was almost wondering if we should just go sit
Honestly, they keep
in the weeds. over
they
there.
just keep coming. No, like we've had. Then they key on that decoy, and then it doesn't matter. They come into range.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't know. I'm up to 10, I think. Tyler, left. I haven't had as much luck finding them out there. Oh, right here, right in front. Shoot a ball. Oh my goodness. They're everywhere. Yes. Ah. Oh, come on. He's hit. Yeah. Oh, here comes some from the left. Ah! Coming left.
He landed over there, I went up to get him and he flew right toward the tank.
Gotcha. Oh. That's what I wanted to finish it. Peppered him. I hope I got it on camera because that was close. You done?
I'm done.
Woo! Ah!
They definitely,
They want to be.
Yeah.
Well, I got a little bit of a spread out in front of me there, you know.
watch now, they're gonna come this way and one more.
Tyler is the last one that needs to shoot a bird. One bird for 15-man limit. For a 3-man 15 limit. Pretty sweet.
45 birds.
45 birds. Tyler left.
Close.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, look at the feathers just go. That was perfect ending, Tyler.
on video, man.
Nice. Well, Tyler just finished up our 3-man limit of doves this morning. With a peppered, tenderized dove. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and get out there, have fun outdoors, and be safe, and God bless.
Stick shift diesel minivan.
Stick shift diesel
I don't think
minivan.
those are in the United States.
I was just gonna say, I don't think that's very common.